Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Honda Shadow Spirit. This is an ABS equipped model, very rare, black satin finish, only 8,187 miles. Beautiful shape. It's got the engine guards, it's got the quick release windscreen, shaft drive, liquid cooled, fuel injected. Did I say fuel injected? This bike is in beautiful condition. Come by, make your Shadow dreams come true. V-twin 750, only $49.99. This bike is not gonna last. ABS brakes. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostabs.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.